You are now in tune with SweetCandyGloss TV.
Welcome! Hey guys, it's your girl Sweetie, CEO of Sweet Candy Gloss, and today I just want to bring you the first episode of Sweet Candy Gloss TV. So today I'm going to be doing a little demonstration on my facial wash kit. I'm not going to show you everything, just want to show you a few items. I've made some fresh rose water right here in this measuring cup. And I have some empty spray bottles that I'm going to fill them up with, and I'm going to show you how I got this. So this bottle, I've been using it for about 2 months now. So before I dropped it, I took a month, 30 days to like really use it. I didn't get the chance to record any videos or any stuff like that, so I want to do that now. I'm going to do a 7-day trial period where you guys can see exactly how, sorry, I'll move the camera up a little bit so you can see me. So you guys can see exactly how to use this facial wash kit. Easy as 1, 2, 3 to a glowing face. Yes, because you guys are always asking me, what do I use on my face and how is my skin so clear? So, boom! Here you have it, right here. So without further ado, I want to get into this video and let's go. So we're back, and before I start this, I'm just gonna sanitize my hands again because I've already washed them, but after leaving out the bathroom and touching the door and stuff, just want to give it extra clean. So let's set this aside and put our gloves on because this goes in your face, so want to be clean, clean, clean. So we want to show you how to get from this empty bottle to this full bottle. So this is your step 2 that comes in your Rozayy facial wash kit, which is the rose water facial spray. And let's set the camera up a little bit more so you can see my face. So after you will wash your face, which is so I will show you step 1. So this is step 1 right here. And this is a rose scrub face wash. And this is what you will wash your face with. And this facial scrub towel you can use to wash your face with while you're scrubbing your face with the face wash. So that's that. So that's step 1. And I already have step 1 partially prepared today, just the roses part. So so the roses left over from the rose water after I boil the water and cook it and make the rose water are in this container with some shea butter. We are going to finish making this next. So yeah, like I was saying before, this is your step 2, and you just spray it on your face. Wait. And it just like that. See? And I promise you, like every time I spray my face with this, like it just feels amazing. Like I can only tell you so much. Like you have to try the product for yourself to really understand how I feel. But I feel refreshed, and it's definitely good for pH balance in your face. And you can also use this as a makeup remover to remove your makeup. So I'll do a video demonstration about that next time. So we're gonna take this, set this to the side. On our shelf. And next we will work on step 1. So I have completed the Rose face scrub wash. The Rose scrub smells so good, y'all. Like, for real. It's gonna have your face feeling refreshed, hydrated, getting rid of those dark spots and blemishes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So now I'm going to fill some jars up, and then we're going to talk about the face serum. Now that is our final step. If you're wondering why my face, let me get into the camera. Look at my face. On glow. Because of the face serum. So I'll fill these bottles up for the face wash, and then we'll talk about this face serum, okay? So I'm back, and right now I'm gonna label my products because these are the finished final touch. So I'm just gonna kind of point the camera down a little bit more. So before I label these bottles, because branding is most important, definitely branding is the most important thing. I want to tell you guys about the face serum. So remember, step 1 is the face wash. Step 2 is the facial spray. And step 3 is the rose water and vitamin C facial serum. I said facial, I meant face, I'm sorry. This is the face serum. So the last step is the face serum. And it's meant to give you that glow. But not only to give you the glow, it gives you daily vitamins for your skin. And it rehydrates your skin. Best thing out right now. Don't play. So, these are the 3 steps to washing your face. I need you to see my face. These are the 3 steps to washing your face, which has my face so clear. This is my skin routine. And I'm going to do a 7-day trial period for you guys, so you guys can see me use it for 7 days straight. I'm going to do it every morning when I wake up for 7 days, so I can give you guys a real inside look on how you use and how does it make me feel. So without further ado, I'm gonna put these labels on. So I'm gonna scooch down a little bit because the way I have the camera angle is like, in order for you to see the products like I want, I kind of gotta scooch down. Anyways, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought about doing this a lot more often. That way you guys can actually see me refill the products and restock on the products and stuff like that. If you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And follow us on Instagram, and you can follow us on Instagram at SweetCandyGloss. And you can subscribe to my channel, Sweetie, My Life, My Way. Because if it ain't my way, it ain't my life. Thank you guys for tuning in today with me. Until next time, bye.